let's shift the focus from the theaters of South China Sea and Leh Ladakh. Let's move on to Central Asia and east of Europe. Today, we shall be discussing the latest flare-up between Azerbaijan and Armenia, taking into account the long-standing dispute between both the countries for the districts of Nagorno and Karabakh. I'll be covering this topic under three short headings. First will be the brief background, then we move on to the reasons for the conflict and the difference and the current scenario, followed by the world opinion and the role of the world superpowers vis-a-vis what has been the Indian stand on the entire conflict. Now, this conflict, Nagorno-Karabakh, has been a simmering ethnic and territorial dispute between Armenia and Azerbaijan since the early 19th centuries. It all happened after Mr. Stalin brought these 7 districts as a part of the United Soviet Republic. However, they never accepted this amalgamation. And in due course of time, these 2 districts plus another 5 districts formed into an independent state called Antaksh. However, the world has not recognized them and they still consider these disputed areas as a part of Azerbaijan. Over a period of time, the ethnic minorities in these 2 districts wanted to join back into Armenia and become a part of Armenia. And that's how the dispute started in a full-scale war in 1990. And by 1994, the Armenians had almost won the war and it came to be a ceasefire. The peace prevailed for quite a decade on the border. However, it was a simmering and small-scale conflicts used to take place between the 2 armies and the militia, you can call it. And now, recently, it has become into a full-scale war, now with Azerbaijan declaring curfews in its cities, and this war has all the potential of developing into a big war wherein the whole world power will like to get involved or will be forced to get involved. The reason being, Armenians and Azerbaijanis are 2 different ethical minorities, and the world will take stand because Turkey has moved into it and Turkey is now supporting the Azerbaijanis. Russia will have to take a call whether it wants to remain neutral or take sides with Armenia. Over a period of time, we the Indians have remained neutral, and whenever it has been tabled in United Nations, we have only once opposed this move of Azerbaijan, or rest of the time we have abstained from the voting. However, now we'll have to take a call because Turkey has been playing a pro-Pakistani tune and supporting the cause of Kashmir. Same has been the voice emerging from Azerbaijan. So, this conflict, though it may look smaller, but it has all the potential of developing into a major war. For that matter, the seriousness has been understood and the EU members are meeting to Brussels and they'll be discussing this issue also, how to diffuse it without letting it go beyond their hands. Thank you very much.
To have more such discussion and analysis, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. And if you like the video, please do not forget to hit the like button so that we get inspired to give more such discussions in the coming future.